Hey, did you notice the date on the calendar today? This is a live look at downtown Cleveland thanks to our CSU Skycam in honor of 216 Day. It's February 16th, 216. Yeah, we love living in the CLE. Okay, you're fully clothed.
I am. I have socks. I wore my Cleveland socks today.
So you sure did?
I mean,
okay, just come on. Come on, old man. Look that. There you go. See, it says Cleveland is the city.
Is the city. That's right. What are you sporting there, Lena? Anything?
No, just heels. That's it.
You got your old school Cavs colors on.
Yes,
that's
we
good.
do. We do.
Richfield Coliseum, right? That's the way to go.
It was pretty cold for those folks running around in just their undies today.
It was.
I mean, come on.
I know. This isn't exactly.
Was there wind chill too?
This is exactly like a couple weeks ago we did that live shot at Edgewater, is it?
That is just nuts.
Oh, I know. 20s right now. You know, the good news is temperatures are going to stay pretty much where they're at. They'll drop a couple degrees tonight, but we're not in for a big temperature drop as we've got that storm system producing the snow that will be moving in here. Whenever you have a system moving in, tends to keep temperatures right where they're at as you get added moisture, but that wind continues out of the north. We had some lake effect snow. You probably woke up to a little tiny coating this morning if you were anywhere near the lake shore. That extended down towards Akron. Anytime you bring that cold wind across the lake, brings those clouds and those flurries. That's what we've had. But if you're heading out this Saturday evening, this is what it feels like. This is what you need to dress for. Feels more like the mid-teens outside, and that will not go away. But look at the temperatures, pretty steady tonight. Our models have indicated clearing over the last 24 hours. Those clouds going to stay pretty thick towards the lakeshore communities. You get away from the lake, though, I do anticipate partly to mostly cloudy skies. It will be a very quiet Saturday evening, not anticipating any weather woes whatsoever. And look at the stubborn clouds. We were pretty much the only spot in the Great Lakes that had these low stratus clouds hanging around today. You could see that north breeze bringing a little moisture across the lakes. Clouds of a different level, a little bit higher up in the sky, moving from west to east. That's in anticipation of the system that's forming out in the Rocky Mountain states and now the Central Plains. And that is going to be our Sunday snow. Area of energy moving really quickly. It's going to go within 48 hours from the west coast to the east coast. And you can see that little area of energy here kicking up some snow areas of southern Nebraska. That will expand and head eastward. So let's give you a big picture view of this snow tomorrow first, then we'll get into the details. Here it comes. Area of snow developing on the front edge of this area of energy. And you can see snow could be coming down at a pretty good clip from midday through early afternoon tomorrow as that initial push of energy comes in. And look at the rain and the wintry mix in there as well. We'll detail that. And then as we head towards evening hours, we're still dealing with some leftover, but the heavier snow should be gone. Snow kind of lingers, clouds kind of lingers. We're going into Monday as well. So let's go hour by hour locally. You can see tonight we're stuck in those clouds, some clearing breaks. Where you do see the clearing skies tonight, temperatures are going to go a little bit lower as we allow for some of that radiational cooling, but can't rule out a couple flurries near the lakeshore. We should be quiet, though, pretty much everywhere. Sunday morning out the door, maybe some sunshine if you're up early enough, but notice as we go throughout the day, here come those clouds, and now we're talking the midday hour, just after lunchtime, we're seeing that snow develop. This could be a moderate snow at times with that initial push of energy I talked about, but notice down to the south, temperatures right near freezing, right? Temperatures degree or two fluctuation can change that precip type, but I kind of agree with this. Snow to the north, I think south is 76 down towards Tuscarawas County, over towards Holmes, and even towards the Mansfield-Belleville area. We may get in a wintry mix of some snowflakes, some sleet, maybe some freezing rain, and then eventually we lose that ability. It'll just be either rain or snow at this point. You can see the snow off to the north tomorrow afternoon. Mainly rain down to the south is 76. Again, this line could fluctuate a little bit, but I think we're all snow north, all rain down to the south, and then eventually towards evening we're starting to wind down. May have some patchy freezing drizzle across the entire area with this. I don't see big impacts from that, but this storm system should be out of here by Monday morning. So how much snow are we thinking? I'll show you all the models. This is what I'm looking at. Notice how, as you see these, most of the heavier snow totals are towards the north. I'll break it down for you. This is what I'm expecting. You can see areas to the north, I think 1 to 3, and then down to the south, 1 to 2, anywhere from the Canton area over towards, let's say, Worcester, over towards Mansfield as well, and then less than an inch as you get down to the south. I don't think icing is going to be a big issue. Could have some slick streets tomorrow, though. But this is the jet stream. Look at this. As we go through the week, it continues to pummel areas of California. What goes down must come up, and as that jet stream over the next 10 days takes a south to north track, that means it spins up these storms like crazy. So we've got that storm to deal with. Our next one comes in Tuesday, Wednesday, mainly rain at that, and then maybe another one next weekend. bottom line is an active pattern. This isn't going away anytime soon. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. We're in and out of the 30-degree temperature range over the next 3 days. That next storm system on Wednesday brings snow, quickly changing to rain, and then we're back to cooler air and perhaps a big warm-up next Saturday, Lena, with some rain and wind.
All right, thanks, Matt.